studying is hard, especially when you're juggling assignments, tests, and projects. But what if I told you that there are AI tools that can make learning way easier? Tools that help you understand faster, take better notes, and even explain your homework when teachers can't? In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that actually work. No hype, no gimmicks, just real tools that help you study smarter, not harder. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how to combine them into a full AI-powered study system. Let's start with the most obvious one, ChatGPT. Most people use it to write essays or code, but if you use it right, it's basically a 24/7 tutor. You can ask it to explain complex topics in simple terms, quiz you on what you just learned in class, and break down difficult questions step by step, and so much more. For example, if you type "explain Newton's first law like I'm 12, it'll turn a confusing physics concept into something totally understandable. Just remember, always double-check facts, but use it as your personal learning coach. Next is Notion AI. And if you're a student drowning in notes, this one's a lifesaver. Notion isn't just a note-taking app, it's like a second brain that can think with you. You can use AI in Notion to summarize long lectures or readings, turn messy notes into clean outlines, generate to-do lists automatically from text. For example, paste in your class notes, type "summarize" this into key study points, and you instantly have a cheat sheet. It's perfect for organizing school, projects, or even coding tutorials you're following. If you've ever wasted hours Googling for research info, Perplexity AI will change your life. It's like ChatGPT, but it actually shows you its sources. So if you're writing essays or reports, you can ask, "explain the causes of the French Revolution," and it'll summarize information and cite real links that you can verify. That means no more guessing if your info came from Wikipedia or an academic source. It's perfect for research-heavy classes like history or social studies. I made a separate video which is on my YouTube channel as well as Instagram for this tool, so make sure to check it out. Up next, Quizlet AI. You probably know Quizlet for flashcards, but the AI version takes it to the next level. Upload your notes or textbook chapter and it automatically creates flashcards, quizzes, and practice tests. You can even ask it to focus on specific areas you struggle with, like only test me on key psychology terms. It's like having a personalized test generator that adapts to you. Tools like Graded or StudyCrumb do similar things, turning raw notes into active recall questions so you can remember faster. If you've ever had to make a last-minute class presentation, and we all have, you'll love this. This AI tool called Gamma can turn your written notes into fully designed slide decks in seconds. You type something like "create a 6-slide presentation on the history of AI," and it instantly builds slides with text, images, and structure. Then you can edit the wording and visuals however you want. It's not about skipping the work, it's about skipping the formatting so you can focus on the content. So here's how to use all 5 together as an AI-powered study system. Use Perplexity to research. Paste your findings into Notion for organization. Ask ChatGPT to explain tough topics. Send notes to Quizlet AI for review practice. Finally, use Gamma to make your presentation. That is one connected workflow that takes you from "I don't understand this" to "I just aced my presentation." The key to using AI for learning isn't replacing your brain, it's amplifying it. These tools help you learn faster, stay organized, and actually enjoy studying. If you want me to make a full tutorial where I show how to combine these tools step by step for one subject, drop a comment below and let me know which class I should try. And keep an eye out for my next video, which is going to be called "Can You Learn Coding Faster with AI?" where I actually test one of these tools in real time. Thanks for watching and keep learning smarter.